me in, you cunt. You fucking idiot. Unstoppable. You cannot stand in my way. I was a little bit worried about the weather tonight. Said it was going to rain, but the skies look like they've cleared. Fucking high beams. Okay. Hey, mate.
You all good?
I'm good, man. Thank you for turning over.
No worries.
I couldn't find my damn high beams.
I do it all the time. I hate the one headlight. I always run around two, but the two bright.
Yeah, I kept driving along, my freaking fingers, I kept beeping at everybody, you know.
All good.
Awesome. Cheers, bro.
You got a camera on the back there?
Yeah.
Man, where are you off to?
Yeah, they're good. Into the valley.
Sweet as.
Yeah.
Enjoy your night.
So I'm gonna have it. Yeah, you too. Thanks again. Saturday night. Unlike last time we came in, we took the Story Bridge. I have absolutely no idea what's happening tonight, but I guess we'll find out. Let's go for a quick drive through the centre.